Hello, in this video I want to show you how to grow your Facebook group way faster than you are doing now, just by changing one little thing. What is these things and what is the background about it? These things is just the link that you use to send people to your Facebook group. Usually what you do is you say join my group and you send the link to your group homepage. So this trick is just the link to your group homepage that you will change. If you are familiar with YouTube, same trick by adding sub underscore confirmation equals 1 at the end of your link to your YouTube channel. If you know about this trick, then you will understand what it does to your Facebook group. But if you don't know about this trick in Facebook, in YouTube, let me just explain what it will do. Instead of sending people to your Facebook group homepage, it will send them to a page where all they can do is join your group. To see the homepage, they have to join first, or if they don't want to join, they can leave the page. So when you send people to this link, if they are already a member of your group, it will show the group homepage. So it's like the normal link. But if they are not member of your group, then it will show them an option to join the group. And if they click on the button to join, then they are redirected to your group homepage. So now that I have explained to you, I think you can understand that it will convert a lot more. Way faster you will be able to grow your Facebook group members by just switching the links that you already use everywhere. You switch it from the group homepage to this special link. And then each time someone clicks to check out your Facebook group, then most of the time they will join the group as a result. You don't just send them to the group homepage and expect them to join the group afterwards. No, the first thing is join my group, and if they join up, they go to your Facebook group homepage. And if they are already a member of your group, when they click on the link, they go to your group homepage. So it's good to put this link even on your website or everywhere where you put it, so your existing member can go to your group directly from this link, wherever you have put it, whether in your, when I say wherever, it's really wherever. So I'm not going to list all the places. Now, how to create this link? It's not as easy as on YouTube, where you just add something at the end of the link. No, for this, it's a little bit more tricky, but I will show you on the screen how to do it. I will show you with my own group, because you need to be an admin of your group, of course, in order to be able to get this link. And just follow with me. You don't need to know about HTML or anything, but I will show you. So I go to one of my groups. Okay, I'm here, just on the home page of my group, and you can see on the right there is invite members and a lot of things, and you can see at the top right you have embed invite. This, when you click on it, it will show you a page with a lot of text. This you have to copy and paste it in an email. That's what they say in the text. Copy, paste it in an email, so that in the email it will show a button to join your group. So just copy all this text, this HTML. You copy it on a text editor, so anyone. Here I use one online, so I will just paste it here. I paste it. So in this text, you have to find the right one. It's in the middle here. It starts with a style, color, blah blah blah, lot of things, and at some point you have href equals, open the double quotes, and what you need to take is all this text from this double quote to the next one. Next one is after email campaign plugin. So you take this text you copy, okay, and all the rest you don't need. So I have copy the link, all the text I delete it, and I paste what I copied. So now this link, what you need to do is at this point where you have ampersand, AMP, and this sign, semicolon, you just need to remove AMP and semicolon. You remove this, otherwise it will not work. You remove, and then you have this link, and this is the link that you should use from now on. It has your group ID, unique ID here, and this part you need to keep it. If you remove it, it will not work also. So really you need all this link, and as you can see, it's not nice. So what you should do is a short link. So you can use bit.ly, or you can do a redirect with your own domain name. However you want to do it, doesn't matter. I will show you with Builderall how you can do it. You just copy the whole link here. You go to Builderall. In your Builderall affiliate menu, when you are in affiliate funnels, here, you have at the top use shorter URL. And this is a tool in Builderall to create short URLs. So you click on it, new URL, you just paste your link, send, and it creates for you this short link. And you can just click here, or maybe inside, and it is now copied in your, I don't remember the name, the clipboard, yes, in your memory. So now when you paste it, you have it. So it's very short, and this one will redirect to this one, which will do what I talked about at the beginning. And so now you should use this URL everywhere where you want to send people to your group. And you will see that it will grow your Facebook group really fast, because most of the people who have clicked on your link from somewhere, it's because they want to check out your Facebook group, and they come to a page. So just something I want to say. Now I didn't show you what it does, okay? But you can do it yourself. You have to know that if I go to this link or to this link, it will just show me my group homepage, because as an admin I am already a member of my group. So for all members it just redirect to the group homepage. But for all people who are not members, it will show them a simple page where all they can do is join the group. You have the image of the group or short description, and they can join or leave the page. So most people who will click on this link will then join your group. No question asked. They join first, and then they check out the group after. And if really they don't like it, they can unjoin. They can leave the group, but most of them will not leave. So that's the way to grow your group way faster than you are doing right now. If you have missed some step because it's not so easy, you can look again the video and just do it on your own group. You will see it once you have done it once, and then after it's finished, you don't have anything to do. Just switch all your links to this one, the short links, and do as you do now, and you will see the growth of your group will be very, very faster. So I don't know if you have maybe 10 new members per day now, or 1 per day, it will explode your numbers. So try it. Bye bye.